Hey, how are you? So today we're gonna look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. It's just a quick, look through price action and to see why price behaves in a certain way. And today I will just be describing my strategy, right? The strategy, the methods that I use, right? So let's get on with it. So we're gonna look from this area until the end. So basically, you should get in a position whereby when you look at the charts, you can already see what's going on, what is gonna happen, right? So, this analysis is based on my strategy. So, as you can see here, this is liquidity levels, and there's another liquidity level over here. And you always gotta know price is always looking for this, right? Price is always looking for this. And then you can see that from here until here, it could be your order block, but it's too huge, so we can use a breaker method, right? So this could be our breaker candle. I don't know if you can see. Let me just point it out real quick. You see it? Our breaker candle, and this breaker candle is above liquidity, right? So what can happen is these are one of those days whereby you get a good move, and there's like literally little to no drawdown as much as possible, because there's like literally nothing. And then you target your next low. When you target your next low, it could be here for safety reasons, because you never know if price could come all the way here. If I be honest with you, you never know if price could come all the way here. Even for me, I'm not so sure most of the time. But here's the thing: you take a short, and then you look at the overall trend in price. It has been breakup structure after breakup structure, right? So why did we become confident in this trade? We became confident in this trade because, well, from here you have a breakup structure, right? And then again, you have another breakup structure, right? On top of that breakup structure, you have another thing again. And this is liquidity levels. And another thing, you have another liquidity level over here, but then this liquidity level is by a breaker candle. And then here's another beautiful thing: you have a breaker candle, you're in a supply zone, there's liquidity being taken out, another liquidity being taken out, there's a breaker structure to the downside. And also, if you look at the if you take your Fibonacci, and then you measure your 0.5 deviation. Let me do that really quick. Well, to be really safe, though, we could take a trade from here, right? If we're using a different method, our trade is going to be filled out in here, but then price didn't get there. So this would be one of those days whereby you don't get filled in. But because of all this amount of confluence, gives you the kind of confidence that, okay, this shit can work out, right? Because everything here and everything that we are seeing right now gives us each and every reason to like take a short position. So why not? Why not take the damn short position and make some fucking money, right? So if you look at this is a fucking daily time frame, so it's gonna take a really long time. Like, probably might take like from 16 August until when? Yeah, until the 30th of September, right? So it's a month and a half. Yeah, it's a month and a half. But you make a lot of money, right? So this is for like high swingers. Because normally most of the time when I make my analysis, I always start at the daily time frame. because I have a busy schedule. If I had nothing in life, not meaning like nothing really, like if I had nothing to do, I'll be focused on building my trading and growing it and seeing it grow because I enjoy building things. But I have other things. I have real estate going on because it's something that I'm looking to, and other businesses like retail. I haven't started yet. I've been looking into it, just trying to figure out how that's gonna work out, because I want to come in a little bit different, not just like the whole crowd. I'd rather go into retail as an investor than to be the face of the whole thing because yeah, there are other businesses that I would want to start. But yeah, I mean, if you look at this is just pure price action. In trading, you just need one strategy. I'm telling you, I've gave you this kind of strategy, right? This is more like liquidity trading with a bit of supply and demand concepts, right? Because we're aiming for here and there's liquidity on every high and every low. We use liquidity trading methods. You see, liquidity trading. We look for liquidity, look for supply areas and demand areas, right? So another thing again is that, well, yeah, I mean, this is what basically happens when you're trading. So be sure to like follow me on Instagram. This is my personal account. I'll get my trading account fixed because I have lost access to it, and that's pretty fucked up. Have a good day.